Hello, kids! How are you today? Can we learn ABCs with some action words today? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Hop, hop, hop. Will you hop, kids? Hop, hop, hop. Good job! E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Very good. I, J, K, L. I, J, K, L. Jump, jump, jump. Can you jump, kids? Jump, jump, jump. Super. M, N, O, P. M, N, O, P. Turn, turn, turn. Turn around. Turn, turn, turn. Nice. Q, R, S, T. Q, R, S, T. Wave, wave, wave. Wave your hands. Wave, wave, wave. Well done. U, V, W, X. U, V, W, X. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Stretch your hands. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Yay! Y, Z, Y, Z. Clap, clap, clap. Clap softly. Clap, clap, clap. Very good! Great job, kids! See you in another video. Bye, kids!
Bye, and don't forget.